Good morning, Miss Adeline. Really? What are we going to do today? What are we going to do today? Huh? What are we going to do today? We're going to clean the house? Really? Oh, you don't say. You don't say. Yeah. Really? Yes. Oh, good girl. You say, I'm a good girl. Yes. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Happy baby. Really? That's a happy baby. Happy baby.